Hello and welcome. This is a new lesson from the Dutch Online Academy. In this lesson, we are going to look at some conjunctions. We can use conjunctions to connect two sentences. This way, we can form longer sentences. There are many ways to form longer sentences, but we have to be aware of the correct word order. You might have noticed that the word order in Dutch is sometimes different than in English. In today's lesson, we are going to show you a way to use conjunctions correctly. Word order is often a mystery for Dutch language learners, but you'll soon find out that it's just a matter of learning the rules. In today's lesson, we are going to start with the basics of sentence structure. If you're eager to learn Dutch, visit the DutchOnlineAcademy.com for more examples, exercises and explanations in Dutch and English. It's suitable for all levels. You can also subscribe to our channel to receive new videos and free learning material. Now let's get started with today's lesson. Today we are going to look at a way to make longer sentences. One of the ways to form longer sentences is by using conjunctions. We will look at an example. How would you say, I go to the beach in Dutch? I go to the beach. Now, if you have forgotten the word for beach in Dutch, it's het strand. Het strand. Ik ga naar het strand. Ik ga naar het strand. Now, how would you say, it is hot? Het is heet. Het is heet. Now we put those sentences together by using a conjunction. I go to the beach because it is hot. Ik ga naar het strand, want het is heet. Ik ga naar het strand, want het is heet. Now, you could also say, ik ga naar het strand omdat het heet is. Want and omdat have the same meaning here. But as you can see, the word order is different. In the sentence with want, the word order is regular. Het is heet. Subject, verb, rest. In the sentence with omdat, the verb moves to the back. In today's lesson, we are going to focus on conjunctions like want, that cause the regular word order. There are many conjunctions like omdat. They cause the verb to go to the back of the sentence. We will talk about these conjunctions in another lesson. And below this video you will find a link to a full list of conjunctions. Now let's move on to another example. How would you say, I can't work? I can't work. Ik kan niet werken. Ik kan niet werken. And as you can see, we have our usual word order here. Kan is the conjugated verb, the second place of the sentence. And the other verb, werken, is at the back. Now, how would you say, I am sick? I am sick. Ik ben ziek. Ik ben ziek. And we're going to put those two sentences together again. I can't work because I am sick. I can't work because I am sick. Ik kan niet werken, want ik ben ziek. Ik kan niet werken, want ik ben ziek. Want is a conjunction to show a cause or to give a reason. I can't work. Ik kan niet werken. And the reason is I am sick. Ik ben ziek. Now, let's move on to a slightly different example. I am sick, so I can't work. I am sick, so I can't work. Ik ben ziek, dus ik kan niet werken. Dus could be translated as so or as thus, and it gives a conclusion. I am sick, and so I can't work. This is another conjunction that has that same word order as want, the regular word order. Ik ben ziek, dus ik kan niet werken. Now let's move on to another example. Almost the same sentence, but a little bit different. I am sick, but I am going to work. I am sick, but I'm going to work. Ik ben ziek, maar ik ga werken. Ik ben ziek, maar ik ga werken. But is maar. And as you can see, maar shows a contrast. You're sick, but you're going to work. Maar shows a contrast. Okay, so we move on to another sentence. How would you say, do you drink coffee? Do you drink coffee? And remember that if you want to ask a question in Dutch, you simply put the verb first. Drink je koffie? Drink je koffie? You could ask a guest that. Now, let's give that guest another option. Do you drink coffee or tea? Do you drink coffee or tea? Drink je koffie of thee? Drink je koffie of thee? Now, as you can see, of shows another option. And you could also use of to put two full sentences together. For example, drink je koffie of wil je thee? Here we see two questions connected. Drink je koffie of wil je thee? In short, the conjunctions maar, en, of, want, and dus can be used with the regular word order. Some people like to call these conjunctions miauwt, which is maar, en, of, want, and dus. Miauwt. It's a way to remember them. These 5 conjunctions form a very nice steady basis for your everyday speech. You'll soon feel comfortable using them. Now, as I said earlier, there are many conjunctions that cause a different word order. Examples are omdat, als, hoewel, and since. You can click on the link below this video for a list of conjunctions. Now, this has been another lesson from the Dutch Online Academy. Thank you for watching and visit our website for more explanations and exercises, thedutchonlineacademy.com. See you next lesson!